Hello, everybody. My name's Kenneth, and today we're gonna talk about the story called the Farm Brothers. So there were two brothers, basically twins. One was named Avishek, while the other was named Abir. These two brothers were so annoying to one another. One of them was rude and mean, and the other one was kind and happy and proud of himself, whatever he did. So these two, Abir used to cause all the ruckus and blame it on Abhishek by tricking him sometimes. And Abir would just do drama and cry a lot, saying that he hit me, he did this and all. I tried to stop him, but he pushed me and all. So one day, the mother said, "You boys, if I get another complaint from one another of you, I'm gonna keep you out of the house for 1 hour without no roti, no papa, no nothing. Got it?" And the boys were like, "Okay, mother, we will do whatever you say." So the mother closed the door so hard that the door itself started shaking before going back to normal. And they asked for their tools, but they just came out for what reason? And then the mother said, the boy said, "Let us in, let us in, let us in." And then the mother said, "Oh, right, I forgot about that. Oh, so you boys have to do a simple task for me." And the boys were like, "Hey, what task? Like, what task you want us to do?" So then the mother said that the thing is, yesterday it rained a lot, so you two cried a lot that you couldn't go out. So I want you to clean our farm and fix it and make it proper again, so we can get our subsidies from there and get some more new material to make it more better. Got it? Then the boy said, "Yes, mother." Then they grabbed their tools and left off. They lived in a very big town. Lot of shops, cycle, cars, fruits everywhere, restaurants, houses, buildings. So it was all packed up and they were in tight roads, so it was very easy to get lost. They both held their hands tightly and walked around, like very tightly, I mean. So after reaching, they saw their farm, and both of them were shocked. Even Abir, like who barely cared about anything, said, "Wait, what? Wait, what? This is how bad is it? Like, when did water started flowing everywhere? When did the dirt go every? Oh, right, thunderstorm did it. When did all the flowers and all start sprouting out? When did everything start happening?" And then Abhishek said that it's all a part of nature. Abhishek said, it happens, but we can fix it. So uh, Abir said, "Fine, let's do it. You go, I'm coming. Let me get my tools out." He then, while he was getting his tool out, he said, "I'll pretend I'll help him, and then I'll just make him. I'll just like when he's tired, I'll just ruin. Then I'll just say, clean your hands, clean everything, clean yourself and all." So then, once that's done, then he might go and help other people out. So after that, while he get dirty again, and I'll clean him again, and then we'll go back, and then I'll tell to mother is that, mother, he didn't know anything. He fell asleep. He ate everything and all that. He ate my box. I tried to stop him, and I told him to help me and all that stuff. And then after that, he'll get scolded and he'll get the punishment for 1 hour staying outside. No papa, no roti. This is the perfect plan. And I am smart, I'm not dumb, because I thought of a plan to wipe his hands and all. Because there'll be dirt, so it'll look like he did it instead of me, because I'll do less of the work. And then while he was saying that, Abhishek said, Abir, are you coming? What are you doing? And then Abir said, oh, okay, just remember the plan. So then he grabbed his tools and started helping Abhishek. Slowly, they started cleaning up their own farm and they helped one another and other people also. After that, they were finally done. And then Abir said, Abhishek, do you want to do anything? And then Abhishek was like, what do you mean do something? So then Abir said, do you want to clean your hands? I'll also do it. I'll just go right now. But do you want to go first? Because I'll let you. So he went to clean his hands. So then a bear did a very evil thing. Not so evil. So first he started digging up near farms and the dirt went everywhere. No? He annoyed other farmers and farmers started hating him for doing that. So he got his hands dirty. Then he grabbed the water and sprayed it a little bit, tiny drops everywhere to make it look like it was dirty. Then he put some small plants everywhere to make it look like he was helping a lot. And then put some dirt here, water here, plants here, and done. He looks now dirty of helping a lot. After that, uh, Abhishek was like, "Okay, done. What? A beer? Did you? What were you doing? You're often going to the bushes and just, doing your thing, just digging around, searching for things, But I didn't know you would do this much." Then Abhi was like, "Oh, right. Yeah, I was doing that. I was doing that. I was doing that. Nothing very bad that I'll do to you. Not that. Not that. No, no, no." So then they left off, and then Abhishek said, are you sure you don't want to clean your hands? You're sure?" Then Abhir said, yes, I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure. So then after that, they arrived home and the mother was like, so quickly, wait, Abir, what are you doing digging again? And then Abir said, yes, normal digging, whatever. But I want to speak to you, mother, in the kitchen. Actually, I was actually helping Abhishek into fixing our farm, and then I was doing my thing. But I was doing it so much that I got distracted a lot before helping other people because they needed my help. So I helped them while doing my thing. So I was helping a lot of people. So Abir and the mother went into the kitchen while Abhishek kept their tools back. And Abir said, Mother, I when we arrived, sorry, I was too tired. When we arrived, Abhishek did not help me at all. He just lied down onto the tree and told me to do all the work while he ate everything. And not even that, he just threw the tools and told me to do this, that, help everybody, And it took me, instead of him taking 3 hours, it took me 5 hours to do everything. And then after that, I wanted to do my thing, so I went to do that. Then I started helping other people and all that. So he was so rude to me. I tried to stop him. I tried to tell him to help me and do this and all. But he wouldn't listen. What can I do, Mama? So then my mother said that, oh, Abhishek is about to get it now. He's been acting very mean to you. I did not expect this from him. So then she called Abhishek, and Abhishek was very scared because that's her mean voice. And she said, Abhishek! And then Abhishek entered the kitchen, entered the house, living room basically. And the mother was right there staring at him like, And she said, anything you have to say? And then Abhishek was like, what do you mean say? And then the mother was like, what do you mean say? I heard your brother saying that you didn't help him. You didn't help him eat. You didn't do anything. You only made it worse for him. You told him to dig everything and all that, fix the farm. It took him 5 hours to do everything while you were lying down there and eating your food. How could you? So Abhishek was like, what? But you were helping me. I saw you. And you were even covering yourself with dirt. And everybody was saying, stop doing that and all. I remember clearly. And then you told me, when I was done, you clearly told me that, wash your hands and all. That's all I remember. I'm 100% telling the truth. So then the mother said, is that true, Abir? And Abir was like, yes, that is true. Ooh. So the mother said, Abir, how could you lie to me? Like saying your own brother that he did this to you and all. Just for one very bad punishment that I was about to give you. It was just a full lie. It was nothing real or anything. I just did it to tell you people to get out of the house and do something good for once instead of fighting along. Well, since you lied and lied to your brother especially, and even lying to me about you did this. And Abhishek said, I don't interfere much on this, but he I really didn't know he would do this, but I feel like he really wanted to just for me and all that stuff. I'm just saying. So Abhi said, I just wanted him to get the punishment. I thought that was real. I didn't know that punishment was just a fake punishment on we had to scare us to get out of the house. I didn't know that. And then the mother was like, Abir, it's in the middle of the afternoon and you spent 5 hours. Your brother has especially spent 5 hours while you spent. And Abhishek said, no, 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 mother, he spent 3 hours helping me. And Abhi was like, what? I only helped you for 5 minutes each time. What? Oh, right, he's helping me. Oh, no. So then, the mother was like, oh, okay. But this is very bad by you, Abhi. How could you? But I'm gonna give you a punishment. You have to stay outside of the house for 1 hour and clean up everything outside. Got it? And then he said, oh, okay. So he said, so he went out, grabbed everything and started cleaning for 1 hour in the sun, sweat. He said, ah, oh, I'm thirsty. But started cleaning and all. After cleaning for at least 1 hour, and he did it an extra hour more, he said, oh my god, I'm so thirsty. And he's like, oh my god. Mother, I'm finally done. And the mother was like, good, on time. I'm expecting that you would do it in 1 hour, but you did it in 2 hours. Oh, that I wanted to add an extra hour just to make you proud. So she said, oh, it's fine. But anyways, I made your food and all. And they were like, and he was like, finally, food after such a long time. Ah, yes. After that, after such a long day, they finally made an agreement and they said sorry to each other and never ever to fight with one another ever again. So, the end. I hope you like the story. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment how you felt. But the moral of the story is never to be mean to one another, and never to act cruel to one another, and never to lie to your elders, and always respect an elder. For now, goodbye. I hope you like the story.